If you're searching how to know what Windows you have, here's how I usually check what Windows I have in a couple of ways. The first way is to right-click the Start button and pick System, then about at the bottom, scroll down to Windows Specifications, and everything's right there. Your Windows version shows up right under it. The Edition line tells you if you've got Windows 11 Home, Pro, or whatever version. Second line gives you that version number, like 24H2, 23H2, or 22H2. There's also an OS build number if you need to get really specific. Another way is hit Windows key plus R, type Winver, and press Enter. You get this pop-up with your exact Windows version and build. Then next, Command Prompt gives you way more info than you probably need. Search CMD, type systeminfo, hit Enter. Look for OS name and OS version at the top of all that text it spits out. PowerShell does the same thing, but feels more modern. In the same terminal, pick Windows PowerShell from the dropdown, type Get-ComputerInfo, and Enter. Find OS name and OS version in there. This stuff matters when you're installing software or drivers. Some programs won't even install on certain Windows versions. Tech support always asks for this info first too. Windows 10 and 11 get big updates twice a year, so your version number changes. Monthly patches update that build number. Now you know.